Good morning. It's Tuesday, the 14th of December, 21. I was working on this patch last night. It's pretty tight here, but this here was pretty far away. But I did put a piece down inside here because I know it's a little more rust. I had to cut it down, trim it up. Welds don't look so good right now, but it'll be nice. This corner's up a little bit. So I'm gonna get my Wizzy wheel. I'm gonna trim that. Tap it in, weld it up. See that? It told me where the upper portion was my patch. The outside, nice and tight. A little low there, but not too bad. We'll fix it. It'll look like new. I think the trunk lid's going to be a lot lighter because I had all that Bondo and fiberglass on last time trying to bury my mistake 10 years ago. So some doctors bury their mistakes, right? God forbid. Okay. We'll get back to it later on. Have a good day. Okay. Ground it down. With my Wizzy wheel, the cutoff wheel. Where is that baby? I'll show you what I used. I don't see it. Must have went for a walk with me. I don't know what I did with it. Okay, film later on. I'm gonna try spot welding this a little bit. Just a little bit for now. If it doesn't come out right, you'll never see this again. Okay, here's what I got so far. Looks like a real mess down here, right? I disagree. Watching these professional welders on YouTube and stuff, they weld like this too. I'm not going to mention their names, but it makes me feel good. Years ago, when I first did this patch, like 10, 11 years ago, the old patch that we took out, I was all embarrassed. I buried it with the Bondo. Looked pretty good then, I thought. Then I was thinking, I could do better. So this is gonna be ground smooth. There is like a thick area that goes through here anyway with the contour here. This is still Bondo here. I went too far with the Bondo years ago. So this is gonna be all ground off. This is gonna be flattened out, filed down. Probably have to use a little filler, but I'm very confident that's going to come out nice. Oh, trunk lid almost went up in the air. And then my tools would have went right through the glass window maybe if it slid down there. But that's not the original window anyway. That's only in there for grinding purposes. You'll see. Goodbye. Okay. It's coming out pretty good. Got to do a little more grinding there. It's maybe about an hour's worth of grinding, on and off. Down here is coming out real nice. Got to grind it some more, as you can see. This here is going to be a low spot. I already know that because the reveal here isn't perfect right here. When I was welding it last night, it didn't suck down because of the heat. I just didn't get it straight. But I'm happy with it. We'll be back later, maybe. Very busy today, a lot of interruptions. I gotta straighten this edge out. Maybe hammered a little bit, hammered dolly. Maybe not. We'll see. Okay, wasn't happy with this edge right here. So I ground it out and re-weld it now. I'll be back. I'll be back. I gotta get the compressor off. There's a little video of it. Finished product. We gotta fill it in here. This level is perfect. I knew it was gonna be down here. I couldn't get the piece of metal, the patch panel, up enough. But I like it. I'm going to sand all this Bondo off because I put that on there 10 years ago. Goodbye. Okay, here's what I got. I told you it was going to be low in here. You can see where it's low. I told you that from the beginning, because yesterday I couldn't get this, when I was welding it, I couldn't get this to match here. I knew it was going to be low. I like that, like that. I finished the edge off here. Down the bottom here, actually this trunk lid is a little too short, I found out. And it had extended today with some weld. I like. You can feel the contour here. This is nice and beveled in the middle here. So we gotta get the bevel here, because the bevel's back here. And you can feel that. This is a pothole. Pennsylvania pothole, right here. We'll fill it. We'll put some fiberglass right in there. Took all the Bondo that I had. It was dented here, I straightened that out. I could probably put my stud welder in here and pull that out, but no. Fiberglass, fill the hole. You can still feel the dent here, but it'll be fine. There's all the red nitro stain I might have used 10 years ago. So, see you tomorrow.